Hey everybody, it's Matt here, and today I'm going to take you through the process of how to actually stake the required CRO to get your 50 US dollar sign up bonus from the Crypto.com exchange when you sign up using my referral code. So if you haven't already signed up to the Crypto.com exchange, follow the link down in the description to sign up using my referral code. Make sure you do actually have that code entered when you go through the sign up process, or you won't be eligible for that bonus. So do that and then follow along here to stake on the crypto.com exchange and get your bonus. All right, you done? You ready? You signed up? Good to go? All right, jump onto the exchange with me. So this is the exchange we're on now. We can see our current account balance. We can see what trading fees and rebates we're at, etc., what rewards. The one we're looking for, if you've just signed up, is going to be that sign up bonus. So it's here down the bottom, so you can hit redeem now, or you can also do this by going to stake and earn. That will serve the same purpose. But for now, let's just do that sign up bonus, redeem now. It's taken me to the stake and earn screen, and from here, what we want to do is stake CRO. So you've got two buttons, either this one under earn interest or this one under trading fees and rebates. Either one, again, serves the same purpose. Just pick one of them and hit that. And from here, you can use this slider to view all the staking options that are available. It kindly defaults all the way up here at 10,000 for you. You can scroll down, you can choose smaller amounts. However, 5,000 CRO is the minimum that is required to get the $50 sign-up bonus. If you do less than 5,000, but more than 1,000, you'll only get a $10 sign-up bonus. So do 5,000 if you can to get that full 50 USD sign-up bonus. Doing that, you'll also get 10% APR interest on your staking and a 10% rebate on any trading fees on the exchange. And let's be honest, rebates always come in handy. We make more money if we pay less fees, right? You also get a $500 syndicate allocation, but no benefits on Crypto.com Pay. If you'd want to stake higher, get higher benefits, go for it. You don't get a higher sign-up bonus for any of those ones though. So I'm going to go ahead and stake 5,000 CRO, so I'll just hit select below that one. You can enter a custom amount if you wish. I have 5,195 CRO available in my balance already, so I can do the whole lot if I want. I'm just going to go with the 5,000 then. Hit review. It'll then ask you to confirm. So I'll hit confirm to stake after double checking my balances are as I expect. Now just be aware, you have to stake for 180 days. So the money that you put into crypto.com, it will be tied up for that long. Just something to be aware of. So I'm going to go ahead, confirm to stake, and my staking is now complete. So obviously I already had CRO in my account to do this staking with. If you don't have CRO, you will have to add it. Now I'll talk about that in a minute, but if we want to confirm this has been done, all we have to do is scroll down here to this trading fees and CRO rebate section in the stake and earn tab, and we can see we're staking 5,000 CRO here, and it will unstake in 180 days. Now we can also see what benefits we're getting, so they're all ticked. If we want to add more funds to the stake, we can do so by clicking Stake CRO to receive full benefits, and we can choose our new amount that we want to add. How do you check if you've received your sign-up bonus or not on the Crypto.com exchange? Even though you have to stake for 180 days, you get your bonus straight away, so you can start doing something with it. So obviously here we've got our stake and earn screen still, which is showing our CRO staking amount. If we just head back to the dashboard tab up in the top left, we can see that our sign up bonus button has disappeared in the top right, and scrolling down to the rewards, we can see here sign up bonus. So you can see that this bonus has now been filled in with an amount. It says redeemed. It's no longer saying we need to redeem it, and we have an option there to invite friends as well. So the actual amount you get here will vary because the bonus is in CRO. So how much you get will depend on what CRO is actually trading for at the time that you complete your staking. Now, what if you don't already have CRO on your exchange account? How do you stake? Well, if you don't, then you've got to get it there, right? The main ways of doing it, either deposit a different cryptocurrency into the exchange and trade that for CRO, buy CRO through the app and transfer it over to the exchange, or receive CRO into your exchange wallet from someone else. If you're unsure about how to transfer CRO over from the Crypto.com app, head to this video up here, and that one will show you how to actually do the transfer process. Now, if you don't already have the Crypto.com app or a Crypto.com exchange account, just remember, sign up using my referral code, which is down in the description, to be eligible for that sign up bonus. So that's it for me from now. If there's anything else you'd like to know how to do on the Crypto.com exchange or elsewhere on Crypto.com or other platforms, let me know down in the comments. I'm really keen to actually provide videos that are helpful. So I want to know what's helpful for you. Tell me about it. And I will look at doing that in a future video. So that's it for me for now. I will catch you later. Have an awesome day. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if it's helped you out.